Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a reveal. I've already unboxed everything and I'll show you what comes and how it comes and packaged. But first of all, I wanted to share with you what I just got. I got it from Farfetch and here we go. Obviously it's a Fendi and you're thinking, okay, what is that piece? What is that? It's a barrel shape and it's tiny. And let me just open it and give you guys a hint. Maybe you can figure out what it is once I open it. Okay, so it's lined in like a plastic foil material. This is a bottle holder. Isn't it cute? So this is actually a baby bottle holder. And it has the tag, Fendi tag, right there. And it has a leather tag right here that says made in Italy. And it has the numbers, serial number. And I just thought this was a really cute way to carry a small water bottle, which I don't have right now, but I'll show you a taller water bottle that I have, that I brought. It could easily go in there. As you could see, it could go in there like that, and I could easily put a lipstick or a credit card in there as well. I brought a card to show you. It's just a Nordstrom card. See, it will easily go in there. Will it go sideways? No. But it'll go in there. And so I could easily carry a small water bottle, a lipstick or a lippy or some cards, and my keys even, and that would be it. And if I don't want to put any water bottle in here, I could just use this as a little wristlet. And I was also thinking of putting some hooks on the sides, somewhere around here, to make it a crossbody. So I could just crossbody it, or else use it as a wristlet. And this also comes off like this. Because it's a bottle holder, you could put it over like a stroller. So if you really wanted to get this as a baby bottle holder, you could actually use it as a baby bottle holder and put it over the stroller like that. And when the baby grows up, you can actually use it for something else. Like me, I would have used it as a like a mini bag. But upon closer inspection, I realized this bag is really not made well. As you can see, the stitching around the top and the bottom, and how this part and this part is just like all like, it's just not pretty. And the letter from the left side to the right side right here, it doesn't even line up. See that? It doesn't line up, and it just makes it look like it's just so ugly. So even just looking at it like this, it just doesn't look pretty. It's just all crooked looking. So I mean, this is a really cute piece, but I don't think it was worth, exactly, I don't know how much I paid, but I think it was around $287, which was the best price that I could find to have it shipped for free. I think Harrods had it lower priced, but shipping was a little bit more expensive, and it would have taken a little longer, so I decided, you know what, to ship it free and then to ship it back free was worth it for me in case I didn't like it. So I went with Farfetch, even though it was slightly more expensive, and I will leave all the information down below in case you want to go ahead and try getting one for yourself if you have a toddler or a baby and you know want to take a chance and see if you can get a better quality item. But I really don't like this item. It's just not made well. What do you think? Would you keep this? Would that be okay with you guys? For me, it's a no-no. And so I just wanted to quickly measure it for you in case, like I said, you wanted to get it. Let's see. So from top to bottom is 6 inches. And from side to side, or the depth, is about 3.5 inches. Let's see if it's all 3.5 inches. This one is almost, this way is almost, yeah, 3.5 inches. And so, you know, 6 inches and 3.5 inches is a good size for a tiny little bag. It would have been so cute if it were made nicely, but the workmanship I just cannot stand. The circle over here is kind of like crooked. I mean, I would have accepted that, and I would, you know, easily have kept it if this part were pretty, but this part is really, really ugly. So anyway, oh yeah, and I also wanted to share with you how it came. Usually Farfetch has a little tag. It's a do not remove tag. It says, please keep this, oh, I can't read. Please keep this label attached if you would like to return your item. So Farfetch has this little tag usually attached to bags, and if you remove it, you keep it. And if you don't remove it, you have the chance to return it. But I thought it was really weird how this tag was attached to the dust bag, like this, and not to the bag itself, which I thought was kind of weird. So by the way, I wanted to show you what fits in here. Okay, all right, so this is my daughter's phone, and it's an iPhone XS Max. It goes in like so, but it won't shut. So I guess if you had a regular sized iPhone, it could go in there. I'm not sure. I have a Note 10 Plus, and it goes in there easily, but it won't shut. All right, let's see if I have a mini Prada wallet that goes in there, and then I'll have a key pouch that goes in there, and I have a coin card holder. Let's see if that goes in there as well, and if it shuts. It looks like the coin card holder, you can't shut it, but the key pouch goes in there like that. And let's see if a 6 key holder will go in there. Yes, so a 6 key holder will go in there as well. Let's see if we can also put in a card organizer along with all these others. Yes, it will go in there like that. So as you can see, yeah, it fits quite a bit. It's a decent sized little barrel water bottle holder. So let's see now if my mini pochette will go in there. The mini pochette will go in there, but it distorts the bag, and it won't shut it. So basically the mini pochette, you get the idea of how big this bottle holder is. It actually goes in, but it won't shut, and it distorts the bag somewhat, a lot. Actually, I put the coin card old holder in there, and I try to shut it, and it does go in there, like that. And also, I wanted to show you how it came. So it came in this box, and this box itself has the label on it, what the item is. Made in Italy, Fendi, and it came in this Farfetch box right here, which is a bigger box, and it has the sticky peel off label, return package peel off, where I could put that box back in this box and send it back. So I think it could definitely fit a lot as a little clutch for a tiny little piece like this, and it could also be used as a water bottle holder. So overall, I think it's a decent piece for the price. In euros, it was 260 euros and 263 euros, and I paid $287. And I'll link all the information down below if you are interested. Again, thank you for stopping by, and if you thought this video was helpful in any way, please give it your thumb up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And until next time, bye bye.